Barley grass. A simple grass, yet a powerhouse of nutrition. This gift from nature offers incredible benefits. Let's explore how it can transform your health. Barley grass is young barley plants harvested before the grain forms. This vibrant green grass is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Barley grass is rich in chlorophyll. This gives it the vibrant green color. Chlorophyll is known for its cleansing properties. It helps purify the blood and remove toxins. It's an excellent source of vitamins, especially vitamin A and C. These vitamins are essential for healthy skin, vision, and immunity. They act as antioxidants, protecting your body from damage. Barley grass is abundant in minerals such as iron and calcium. These minerals are crucial for maintaining strong bones. They also contribute to healthy blood circulation. This superfood contains a good amount of fiber. Fiber aids digestion. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, promoting overall well-being. Barley grass is a natural detoxifier. It helps cleanse the body of harmful substances. This leads to improved energy levels and overall health. It contains enzymes that aid digestion. These enzymes help break down food efficiently. This reduces bloating and improves nutrient absorption. Barley grass is known for its alkalizing properties. It helps balance the body's pH levels. An alkaline environment is less susceptible to diseases. Section 4, Immunity Booster. Barley grass is packed with antioxidants. These antioxidants protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. This strengthens the immune system and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Vitamin C in barley grass boosts the production of white blood cells. These cells are essential for fighting off infections. Regular consumption of barley grass can strengthen your body's natural defenses. This helps you stay healthy and fight off common illnesses. Section 5, Energy Enhancer and more. Barley grass can boost your energy levels. It provides a natural and sustained energy boost. This can help you power through your day. It also promotes restful sleep due to its detoxifying effects. When your body is cleansed, you sleep better and wake up feeling refreshed. Barley grass is a versatile superfood. You can add it to smoothies, juices, or soups. Start with a small amount and gradually increase your intake. Embrace the power of barley grass. Add this nutritional powerhouse to your diet. Enjoy the numerous health benefits it offers.